Today's vlog was inspired by the beloved children's book, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. We spent 2 weeks at my son's house where I was holding a brand new grandbaby, but this is what Terry was doing. If you give this man a house, he's going to want to fix something. When he goes to fix something, he'll probably head to the backyard. And when he's in the backyard, he'll notice the grass isn't quite right. So he'll dig up the sod in the backyard, and since he dug it up, he'll want to move it to the front yard. When he's done moving sod, he'll realize the dirt next to the driveway is uneven. So he'll grab a shovel and level it out. Then he'll step back and notice the front yard still looks a little bare. So he'll plant some grass seed. Then he'll water it. And water it again. And again. And again. While the grass seed is still growing, he'll think ahead to when it's finally ready to mow. And just to be safe, he'll go out and pick up every rock in the yard, big ones, small ones, half-buried ones, so the mower doesn't get wrecked, before it ever gets a chance to cut a single blade. Once the yard is clear, he'll glance over at the flower beds. They won't look quite right either, so he'll dig those out too. And since he's already covered in dirt, he'll figure, why not haul gravel, 2 whole yards of it, into the back flower beds. Once he's done with the gravel, he'll look up and see a loose soffit, and you know he can't ignore that. So he'll fix the soffit. But while he's up there, he'll hear buzzing. That's when he'll find a wasp's nest. Then another, then another. He'll grab a spray can and go to war. And he'll win, but not before getting stung. While recovering from the sting, he'll notice that the gutters look a little clogged. So obviously he'll install leaf guards. What you doing now?
Leaf guards.
Sounds like a made-up statistic to me. And when he's up there, up high on the ladder, hands full of tools, leaves, and determination, he'll glance over the roof, look down at the yard, and think, I should probably fix something. Because if you give this man a house, he's going to want to fix everything.